is a great tool for creating graphics, but here, if you only start using it, I'm going to show you the 6 things that you should know. So the first one is don't start from scratch. So in Canva, there are lots and lots of available templates that you can use for certain categories. So you can just choose the design that you want to create, or you can just search for it using the keyword. For example, in here, I'm going to search for Instagram story templates, and Canva will show you there are lots of options that you can do. You can see 20,000 template that you can choose to create an Instagram story, and these are very useful if especially if you are not a designer or still learning in creating graphics. So I suggest you just use these templates to make it easier for you. But the second one, let's move to the second one, is don't tag things as they are. So even if you are using templates from Canva, let's say I want to use okay, this one for example. So that don't tag things as they are. So you need to customize the template. So even if you are using templates from Canva, I suggest you to customize or modify the templates, especially if you are using it from your for your brand. You can change like the color theme, the font that align with your brand. So for example, in here, I'm going to change the font that align with my brand. So you can just upload your fonts to your brand font to Canva and use it every time you start creating graphics. And let's move on to the third one is Canva Free versus Canva Pro. So which one should you choose? So in Canva, there are two types of version that you can use, Canva free and Canva pro. So each of the item have key differences. For example, so for pricing, the Canva free, of course, just $0 forever free, and Canva pro around $12 per month, or 119 dollars per year. So this if you are use just a free if you are just a beginner, students, or occasional user, you can just use Canva free. But if you are content creators, marketers, and professional, I suggest you just choose Canva Pro. So some of the benefits of course, Canva Pro has 600,000 premium templates, but the Canva Pre only limited to two or 250,000 templates. And of course, the stock photos and elements is limited for the Canva Free, and there are also features that is not allowed for the Canva free users, such as removing background, the brand kit, the magic resize, and also custom fonts, premium animations, and transparent background. So let's move on to the next things that you should know is you know your limitations. So if you are, let's say, a professional graphic designer and your client asks you to create a logo, of course you cannot use any elements from Canva, or you cannot use like default or template logo template from Canva, because client usually asks you to create logos with their ideologies or their value and everything. And next is licensing. So to use Canva legally and in line with their guidelines, you need to read the rules for using it. And last one is stay organized. So if you have like so many projects going on in Canva, you need to stay organized. You can create a folder to differentiate between each project and everything. you can see in here on projects, you can just create a folders. You can also like short things based on the category and everything. So don't forget to stay organized. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks.